If you're using Optimus by Afrinvest to invest in the US stock market and in mutual fund, there's something you need to understand. That's the Optimus Referral Program. Now, with the Optimus Referral Program, you can make as much as 1,000 naira when you refer your friend. And here are some things you need to know about this referral program. Optimus has been around for a while now, and they are giving you some commission when you refer your friend. It's one great thing because we've seen a platform like Afrinvest 2.0 don't have that referral package, but on Optimus by Afrinvest, you can get some commission when you refer people. All you have to do to qualify for this referral program is to create an account, do your KYC, that's so you know your customer, finish everything from there, then invest as little as 2,000 naira. Once you've invested as little as 2,000 naira, you can start sharing your link, and once they use your link, you can get some commission. I'll be moving over to my dashboard for me to show you some things you need to know about this referral program. Now, this is the homepage of Optimus. All you have to do is to come down to more, and once you click on that more setting, you go down and you see the place called refer and earn. Lots of persons don't really know about this. Some persons just end up investing in the platform without knowing that you can make some money when you share your link. Now, when you click on the refer and earn, you will then see that the page will take some time to load, and after it's done loading, you see earn 1,000 naira when you refer anyone to save and invest with Optimus by Afrinvest. To qualify, you need a minimum of 2,000 naira saving plan and have completed your KYC, and all you just have to do is to share this your referral link by clicking on it. Now, once I click on referral history, you'll be seeing the list of persons I have referred and how much I have earned from referral. Once they use your link to register, you see an email that is being sent to you that somebody has used your link to register, and you get 1,000 naira pending on your dashboard. Once they have completed their registration, you get your 1,000 naira on your dashboard as something you can withdraw. But once they use your link to register, you'll not be able to withdraw the 1,000 naira. You just see it pending, so the 1,000 naira will not be added on your dashboard. You only get it once they are done with their KYC and they have invested as little as 2,000 naira. Now, let's go to their terms and condition page for us to know some things about this referral platform. Now, coming to their terms and condition page, you can see the things you need to understand how the referral program works. You can see that you need to complete your KYC, you need to get as much as 2,000 naira, and you need to start referring. Then those you refer must have done their KYC also and must use your link. If they don't use your referral link, you will not be able to earn some commission, and they must get as little as 2,000 naira in their portfolio. So you can see that Optimus by Afrinvest has been online since 1995, and you can see all that they have the power to terminate this referral program anytime they wish to terminate it, and you can use it as an advantage. So here the information you need to know about Optimus by Afrinvest referral program. You can get started making some money as little as 1,000 naira. Imagine referring 50 persons, you've gotten 50,000 naira from just the comfort of your house, just sharing your link. So if you are popular on WhatsApp, if you're popular on Facebook, you can invest in Optimus by Afrinvest and start sharing your referral link. Optimus is not a scam. Afrinvestor is not a scam. You can get started investing in the US stock market and in mutual fund, making some money through referring. If you want more content like this, do well to hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for our next one. Till our next one, peace.